Arden? Arden, where's your head? Where's your head? Is that your head? Where's your nose? Where is it? Where's your nose? That's a camera. Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? There it is. Where's your tummy? Yeah, you can't really do tummy in the chair. Where's your head? Where's your head again? Where's your head? Where's your ear? That's your head. What about your mouth? Did you just give me the finger? Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.